Jiashuncai ACP installation. Demonstration method A tutorial. After positioning with it. Infrared level on the wall. Mark lines with chalk at intervals equal to the set. Panel width. Drill holes every 600 millimeters along the marked lines using an impact drill. Install expansion bolts and adjust the leveling. Tracks by turning the nuts on the bolts to ensure they are all on the same horizontal plane. Insert light steel keels into the tracks. Place the aluminum plastic board on a flat surface and use a specialized grooving machine to cut grooves on all four edges of the ACP board. 20 millimeters from the edge, leaving the corners intact. Fold the edges and secure them with intermediate keel, X140. Remove the protective film from the edges of the ACP board by 20 millimeters for later installation. Mark lines on the light steel keels and fix the trim keel. X149 with self-tapping screws according to the marked positions. Measure and fix the top and bottom profiles first. Insert the ACP board, which has been grooved and folded, into the trim keel and the adjacent keel. After confirming the position, remove the ACP board, fix the keel with screws, and then reinstall the ACP board. Continue installing the ACP boards until reaching the wall corner. First, install the corner profile X151 for recessed corners. Cut the ACP board and insert one side directly into the keel and the other side with grooves and folds into the keel. After completing the ACP board installation, install baseboards and ceiling trims. Once the main work is finished, check the flatness and firmness, make adjustments, and remove all protective films. If there are stains after removing the film, clean them with a cotton cloth and water. Installation tip. During grooving, maintain a thickness of 0.1 to 0.2 millimeters between the lowest point of the groove and the face. Aluminum plate. In the ACP installation process, first insert the X140 keel into the side. Confirm the keel position and then fix it with screws. Cut a groove of a certain width on the back of the ACP board. Installation tips during grooving. Ensure a thickness of 0.1 to 0.2 millimeters between the lowest point of the groove and the aluminum panel. When installing ACP panels, first insert the X140 keel into the side. Confirm the keel position and then fix the keel with screws. Groove a certain width on the back of the ACP board, where the groove width equals the arc length of the corner. The groove depth should be around 2 millimeters. Depending on the situation, the larger the radius, the shallower the groove depth. Then apply even force to bend the ACP board to the desired curvature. Fix the inner gypsum board with screws and insert it into the corner ACP board